Welcome to another video, Microsoft 365 course, and this is Mohammed Niaz with you from IT Pro Guide. So in the last two videos, we learned about what is Microsoft 365. It's a lot of apps and that's gonna help you to connect and work together securely. That's what we explained about Microsoft 365. Then we learned about different type of cloud services that are available, and Microsoft 365 is a software as a service solution. That's what we learned in the last two videos. So in this video, we are going to make an overview of what are all the applications or the app services that are available in Microsoft 365 subscription and how it is different from the other applications. So let's begin from the MS Office. So MS Office is available in two different form. One is a web application only or web version only, then desktop version. So the web version means it works only in the internet. When you have internet available, then you can open the application from your OneDrive, not from your workstations or laptops. So whatever you have in your OneDrive, the cloud drive, you can use the web version to edit and or create presentations or Excel or Word document, whatever, you can use it. That is what the Microsoft 365 MS Office application web version. Then the next available one is Microsoft 365 packages provide you MS Office desktop application. So this desktop applications that you can purchase as a part of the package that comes with OneDrive. Then this desktop applications, so you pay per month or yearly, you can subscribe it. There are different packages available. So the advantage with this M365 subscription for MS Office application is you get automatic upgrades, and the integration gonna be very easy because you will have access from the cloud drives to access the desktop applications. This integrations are very seamless and easy, and also it provides you some kind of artificial intelligence enabled help when you, for example, when you create a PowerPoint presentation, you will get some suggestions from Office 365. And that's gonna help you to speed up your processes. The same desktop application, you can purchase it by paying a one-time cost, generally named as Office 2021 or Office 2019. You will be locked to that version, and also it doesn't provide you any kind of OneDrive with that because it is not a subscription. It is a one-time payment, but the previous one we were discussing was a subscription, so you get a OneDrive also with that package. And also there will be no AI powered help for you in when you create a presentation. You will not have suggestions like what you're gonna see in Office 365. So we learned about three type of MS Office application access. One is a web only version which comes with the very basic M365 subscription. Then also to get a desktop MS Office application, you have two choice. Either you can get it through a M365 subscription, and that gonna help you to have an automatic upgrade, easy integration, and some AI powered help when you work. Final one we discussed was about the standalone version, which is a one-time cost, but you don't get any kind of upgrade. You will be locked to that particular version. That's it. So first let's walk through a simple demo of what we learned about Microsoft MS Office applications. We said we have web version and also desktop versions from in Microsoft 365 package. So what you see is I just logged into my Office 365 account, and you can see that I have a lot of applications. So these are the web applications available for me. So if I want to access a Word application, then I can open it like this. Then I can create a new document here. Then I can work like how I work in the desktop application. So hello, how are you, like this. Then if I want to edit the name of the document, this is doc1 for example, I can save it, and you can see that this is going to be saved in OneDrive. So you don't have a choice to save this in the local desktop, but still you can download it to your local machine, but then there will be no sync actually. So that is how it gonna work. And also you have a PowerPoint here. If you click on the PowerPoint, you can create a PowerPoint also, like you do in the on-premises. So you have almost all the controls available here. So this is what the web version of Microsoft 365 MS application. Now we need to look at the desktop version. So the desktop version is same as the standalone one, but the difference is in licensing, and also some AI features are also there. Let's see. Then the desktop type MS Office applications from Microsoft 365, you can browse like how you usually open any desktop application. So I already opened a PowerPoint here, so you can see that this is how you create a presentation. So let's say it's essentially one, then point one, like this you create it. Okay, so with this Microsoft 365 subscription, you get something like, for example, a designer, where you can design the pages. Okay, then coming to this agenda, you can see that there are different type of so you can see it's coffee break, then they put a coffee, then session about security, so they put something nice actually, icons according to this. So this give you a lot of help when you want to create nice presentations without much effort. And also from the accounts settings, you can see that this product is activated as a part of a subscription, and that subscription is assigned to this username. So always these subscriptions will be assigned to a username. So the standalone versions, which I'm not going to show here, but in a standalone version, you know that we install the application, then it pop up for a key, then we enter the key, and this is how we activate it. But here you activate it by using your credentials, Microsoft account credentials. So you log in it with your credential, then based upon the license you have, the apps will be activated. So that's all in this video. We learned about MS Office applications which are available in different form. You have two type of applications available in Microsoft 365 subscription. One is web version and desktop application, and other than this there is a standalone product which release every 3 year, Office 2021 or Office 2019. So that is what we learned in this video. So in the next video, we are going to talk about the applications, the business solutions or services that are available in Microsoft 365 subscription, and also the on-premises solution which provide the same use cases. So that's all. See you in the next video.